Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima, you're having problems with your speedometer not working. Let's say you have problems with speed sensors. We'll explain where the fuse for that is located, and stay with us until the end because we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuses even if you're replacing them with brand new fuses. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So right here guys, as you can see, this is the engine of that Kia Optima. Even if you have a different engine, the fuse may be the same. This is the fuse box that we need to open. There is one notch here, one there. You squish, pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuse numbers. But what we did, we actually took a picture of those. Okay, so we can zoom guys and show with a great detail, okay, where these fuses are located. But the fuse guys, okay, for the speedometer and the speed sensor, that fuse actually guys is a fuse that controls the transmission. Because simple, due to the fact that the transmission needs to know the vehicle speed and all that stuff, and without that, okay, the transmission, the automatic transmission cannot function. So there is a special fuse for the transmission control unit number 2. Okay, that fuse right here that controls that, and that's this 15 amp fuse. Okay, right there. Now that fuse, if you need to remove it, okay, I'll recommend to always disconnect your car battery. Okay, but grab the fuse spool. Okay, get it out, and never assume that the fuse is good guys. Sometimes you cannot tell it's bad, and what we recommend in that case, okay, always guys, always test them, even if you're replacing the fuse with a new one, because sometimes there are defective fuses. So let's say you put a bad fuse in your car, you still have problems, you're going to spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima, when all you had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad and replace it. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.